Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use Google Map in offline mode. Using Google Maps can help you navigate even when you lose your internet or data connection while traveling to an unfamiliar destination. Here are the easy steps to use Google Maps in offline mode on your mobile device. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Maps app. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, then connect to Wi Fi or mobile data. Required to download maps, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap the offline maps, then select your own map. You can move and zoom out the map to cover the area you needed. Check the storage size shown at the bottom and tap download. Wait for the map to finish downloading. Turn off mobile data or Wi Fi to test offline mode. Now, open Google Maps and search for saved places or routes within the downloaded area. Use GPS navigation offline by tapping this option, then confirm. Turn by turn works, but live traffic and routes won't work. Helpful tips: offline maps expire after a period. Update them if prompted. Walking, driving, and cycling routes work offline. Ride hailing and traffic updates need internet. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.